Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting heat and safety right. Preheat to the exact recipe temperature so thermal mass is stable. This controls cook timing and browning. Once set, position racks based on method, top rack for grilling or broil, middle for even baking, and place pans to catch drips. Make sure oven thermometer reads correctly. Inaccurate heat ruins texture. Also oil your grill grate lightly and line baking sheets if needed. These actions start the process immediately and prevent common early mistakes. You now control the cook. For grill or broil, apply direct, high heat to sear and develop color. For larger cuts, move to indirect heat to avoid burning the exterior while the interior cooks. Once done with initial sear, monitor with a probe thermometer and rotate pans or flip food halfway to even out browning. Make adjustments in small temperature steps, 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, if the surface is too dark or the interior lags. This balance of heat and timing yields consistent results. You finish by stabilizing texture and flavor. Remove food when it reaches target temp and rest it under a loose foil tent for 5 to 20 minutes. Resting evens temperature and concentrates juices. Once rested, you can finish with a short broil to crisp skin or glaze. If things go wrong, make one decisive correction. If undercooked, return to a moderate oven 150 to 160 Celsius until safe. If overly charred, trim burnt sections and adjust future temperature or rack position to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.